Good morning, boys. Welcome to another vlog. Market opens in like 30 minutes, but we're just out here enjoying the sunlight in the meantime, getting prepared. But I do have some good news for you guys. Yesterday was a bank holiday, so I had a lot of extra free time. And with that, I was able to finish the Discord. I know a lot of you guys been asking, and I'm finally dropping it. As soon as we hit 500 subs, which we're like 30 subs away, I'll be dropping it. And yeah, I'm excited to get in there, chat with you guys, and just grow together. Yeah, so let's end the week strong. Have a good day today, and hopefully you have a good week next week. But let's move day by day, brick by brick, and yeah, let's get to the charts.
Alright boys, we're on the charts now. Market opened in like 4 minutes, so I'm pretty bullish today. As you can see, price has just been pumping ever since this morning. We've just been pumping pre-market. My targets for today are all these buy side levels here. Hopefully we can get an entry into one of these buy side levels. We'll see, just gotta be patient and disciplined. Damn, we already swept this buy side level. I wanted to target. Alright, so we're manipulating lower right now, which is good. I want to see this before going higher. We just tapped this 15-minute gap. Price is reacting really strong here. Alright, NQ is just moving sideways, bro. If we close above here, I'll enter long.
Order filled.
Alright, entered here. Stops at this low. Targeting this high. We have SMT here, that's why. Should be a protected low. Let's see how this plays out. We are forming bearish SMT if MES can't come up and sweep this high. So that is kind of dangerous. But I'm just trying to follow the trend right now. I'm just playing along with the trend. I might go break even at this external high right here, because we could displace after this high. Price is just moving sideways right now. It's not what we want to see. But I like how MES is pushing higher. M and Q should follow here. Alright, I'm going to take some profit at 1-to-1. And I'm gonna go break even as soon as we sweep this high right here. Beautiful push up. A bit of a retracement here. Let's see how price reacts. Beautiful reaction. We should hit this high now. The reason I was bullish today is because you could just see like all these bearish PD rays are getting disrespected. Like this 4-hour bearish fair value gap, like this hourly fair value gap just disrespected. Like every bearish PD ray is getting disrespected. So price is just gonna continue to rally until we start taking this buy side liquidity. We did just form bearish SMT there. We're in a bit of drawdown now. I'm risking most of my daily loss limit on this, so if this trade doesn't hit, then I'm probably done for the day. The 950 macros in 3 minutes, so hopefully that pushes price higher.
Order filled.
Alright, we're stopped out there. Obviously not what we wanted to happen, but it's okay. Let's look at what we did wrong. Alright, first off, what I'm noticing is we form SMT here. High time from SMT. This is what I was trying to be careful of, and what I thought would have probably taken us out. We form bearish SMT here, so we have high time frame SMT, and then we have low time frame SMT. With this thing right here, this high makes a lower high, and this high makes a higher high. Probably a retracement to equilibrium, like I marked out here.
Order filled.
I'm just gonna take 1 micro, trying to see if my narrative was correct.
Order filled.
Never mind. Just dumb stuff like that just shouldn't be doing, but damn, look at it. Now it's going lower. Ideally, the perfect play would have been this short right here. Right here, stops at this protected SMT high, targeting this gap right here. This would have been the ideal trade today, but then it wasn't following the trend, the narrative, so I kind of wanted to play along with the trend, because last time I tried to short at the top, it didn't work, so it's all good. This would have been the ideal trade for today. It's rough, man. So we just wiped out all the profit we'd made from from Wednesday, so now we're back down to almost $600 in the red. But yeah, we're done for today. Not the best week, not the best day, but I'll be back stronger next week, so stay tuned for that. But for now, let's continue today, continue going after it.
Alright, boys, rough day today. Not the way I wanted to end the week, especially now that I'm looking at the trade I would have taken would have probably smashed TP, and I would have been up probably for the week, or break even for the week. So instead, I'm down 600 for the week, and it's rough, bro. It's rough, but I just know that these small improvements that I'm making will just continue to make me a better trader, and eventually I'll start taking payouts, and I know that it's all going to work out in the end, so I'm not worried about it at all. I trust in God, and I believe that This is all part of the plan. Alright boys, we just finished editing the trade recap. Took a little while, but we're done now. And yeah, a few things I got planned today. I gotta go get a haircut, and then I also going to the gym later. No work today, so a lot of free time. So let's get a lot of stuff done today. Alright boys, we just been here reading the Bible. Got a good chunk of it read today. I'm almost done with the book of Psalms, so I'm probably gonna finish reading it later. I'm on like chapter 140, like somewhere around there. And yeah, I'm about to finish it later. But right now we're about to head to the barber. I gotta get a haircut, cause look at this, I'm cooked. But yeah, about to go do that and then continue on with the rest of my day. Alright boys, we're back home now. As you can see, my barber absolutely fried my cut, so I'm gonna be cooked for the next few videos, but it's alright. It's just like trading. My barber was on a winning streak for like 5 cuts, and then he took a loss today, but it's alright, he'll bounce back. Yeah, it's part of the game, bro. Damn.
Alright boys, I've just been back testing a little bit, and I want to show you guys the stats on my account. So I took 21 trades, 70% win rate, with a 1.6 risk to reward, and we're up 18% on just 1 month of data. We're up 18%, and yeah, we took all wins, just one break even day. And yeah, most of these were just 1 to 2 trades a day. This last one was 3 trades, but yeah, all these are just consistent numbers, just showing me that my strategy is really consistent and really profitable if I trade it well, and just gives me more confidence. Here's a sneak peek of the Discord, guys. I just posted this morning just for practice, or for when you guys are actually in here, but here are all the channels, all the things. And yeah, it took me a couple hours to make this, but it's gonna be good. Make sure you guys join up once I drop it.